This is my 2011 Acura TSX wagon, and this is how you change the transmission filter. First, you want to remove the 3 nuts for the strut brace. These 2 on that side, these 3 on that side, and these 3 on this side, right here. And these were 12 millimeters. So once you've got that removed, then you want to unhook this coolant hose here, pretty easy. And then remove the strut brace, leave the strut towers intact. After that, remove this nut here in the fuse box. First, you want to take off the cover. This one's a 10 millimeter nut. Then after that, remove these 2 nuts for these 2 wires here. These are 8 millimeters. And then once you got these taken off, then you want to move the entire fuse box out of the way. And once those are gone, move these wires. Remove the box. There's a tab right here on the left side and bottom side of it. You can just pull it with your finger right here. This whole fuse box should come out of the way. Just temporarily move it out of the way. And the transmission filter is right there below this hose. Let's see. So to remove the transmission filter, you want to first remove the bracket. This is the bracket holding it onto the car. It's a 10 millimeter screw, and the screw is right down here. There's a filter right underneath this hose, and then there's a little bracket nut right there. So remove that. It's pretty easy, and you can take this off, and the bracket will be able to move freely. And then you can just remove it from underneath the car. I'll show in a second. To remove the filter, next you're going to want to disconnect this hose right here on the top of the transmission. So if you're looking from the engine and the fuse box, it's the very top left corner. There's a hose right there. You want to remove that clip, and then you're going to basically pull out the entire filter, put the hoses top side, and on the bottom you want to first remove your tire. And the hose will be that one right there, this black curved hose. You're gonna look under it and remove that clip right there and get the filter out. But first, you want to drain your transmission. So first, remove that skid plate, drain the transmission, and then go for the filter. This is the filter after taking it out. Gotta squeeze these tabs to remove the hoses. I just took the hoses with the filter. This is the top side, leading to transmission, and this is the bottom side, leading to the bottom of the car. It's gonna go like this, so the filter should have this ridge pointing towards the bottom. So once you change the transmission filter, it should look just like this. Same orientation, old and new. Bottom hose, top hose. When you're done, make sure you put the filter bracket back on where the filter was. That's the right stays in place. And put these 2 bolts back in for the fuse box. The 3rd bolt nut over there to keep it in place. Shut bar back in place with 3 bolts on the right, the left. Put the hose back on the strut bar. Put your fuse cover back on. Put your wheel back on. Make sure your transmission is tightened down there so you don't get leaks. And you're done. Easy peasy.